Let's talk about some of the common light types in Unreal Engine 5. There are in total 5 light actors. We have the directional light, the point light, spotlight, skylight, and the rectangle light. They all have some common properties, but they have different use cases and unique features. Let's have a look. Firstly is the directional light. We have already used this directional light in our project. So it is the simulation of the light which is being emitted from the source which is infinitely far away. So to take a real world life example, we consider the direction light as the sunlight. Then we have the point light. The point light is an omnidirectional light. It means it will be emitting the light equally in all the directions from a single point in space. If you take a real world example, we can consider a light bulb. Then we have the spotlight. The spotlight also emits the light from a single point, but here it will be in a cone shape and in towards one single direction. We can take the real world example of the spotlight which is used in the concerts, or also we can take an example of the desk lamp. Next, we have the skylight. The skylight will have the color from the sky and it will be emitting that color on all the objects inside the scene. So it is a good way to brighten up an entire level and affect the shadow colors. Lastly, we have the rectangle light. As the name suggests, it is a light but in the shape of a rectangle. It emits the light into the scene from a rectangular plane. We can also define the width and the height of that rectangular plane. We can use them to simulate any kind of light resources that have the rectangular area. For example, we can use it in the television screens or the monitor screens if we want to show that the light is emitted from the screen.